So students, we are studying topic linear equations in one variable. We have already solved 2-3 word problems. Today I am going to give you still 3 problems. Now already I have given you PDF of these sums. Let us see how to do these sums. In this I will explain you how I have done the sums. Sum is the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. Find their present age. Now what is given here? Sahil's age and his mother's age. We have to find present age of Sahil and his mother. So let us see Sahil and mother's age. Now what hints are given or what conditions are given in this sum? Present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. Means mother's age is 3 times age of Sahil. We don't know Sahil's age. So we are going to take present age of Sahil, present age x. And mother's age is 3 times. So 3 into x is equal to 3x. Now next condition is after 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. Means when after 5 years, means now Sahil after 5 years his age will be present age plus 5 years. Mother's age will be present age plus 5 years after 5 years. And sum of their ages is 66. So x plus 5, Sahil's age 5 years later, mother's age 5 years later, when you add it, it becomes 66. From that we have to find this condition is provided to us. And in first step, this condition is 3 times mother's age. So we are going to add this and find out the present ages. So let us add x plus 5. It is Sahil's age. And 3x plus 5 mother's age. Total sum is 66. They have not given sum of present age. They have given sum of age after 5 years. So x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 66. So 1x plus 3x we get 4x plus 10 is equal to 66. Let us take 66 to right hand side. So it becomes 4x is equal to 56. Then divide 4x by 4 on both the sides. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So it becomes x is equal to 4 ones are 4, 14 are 14. So we got Sahil's age 14 years because his age is present age is x. And mother's age is 3 times Sahil's age. So 3 into 14 is 42 years. So present age of Sahil is 14 years and present age of mother is 42 years. Now let us check whether this age is correct or not. How will you check it? This condition is there. After 5 years, sum is 66. So we are going to substitute value of x in this age. So x plus 5 means 14 plus 5 is Sahil's age plus 3x plus 5 is mother's age. So 3x plus 5 what we have got here? 3x plus 5 here we have got after solving substitute 3 into 14 plus 5. Direct we have not solved 3x plus 5, we will solve it here. So 14 plus 5 is 19 and 3 into 14 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 4 plus 5. So 19 plus 42 plus 5. 5 plus 2, 7, 47. And now 19 plus 7, see how much you are getting. 19 plus 47, 16. 4, 5, 6, 66. So it means the value of x which we have got is correct. What I did here, from second condition, I solved the equation. I got value of x. X is the present age of Sahil. Then Sahil's mother's age is 3 times his age. So I substituted x in 3x. I got mother's age 42 years. Mother's age is 42. Now whether this answer is correct or not, to do that, to find that, I checked it by substituting value of x. It is given to us sum of their ages 5 years later is 66. So I took the equation of 5 years later, x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 is 66. Now this is our right hand side. So I solved left hand side and I got value of left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means my solution is correct. So this is our 7th sum. Now let us see next sum. Now next sum. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupee coins. If he has in all sum of rupees 77, how many coins of each denomination does he have? Now Bansi is having 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as he has 5 rupees. Means he is having certain amount of 5 rupee coins. We don't know. 5 rupee coins. And 2 rupee coins are 3 times of this 5 rupee. So here what we are going to do? We are going to take 5 rupee coins as x and 3 times 2 rupee coins means of this 5 means it will come 3x. This is sum number 8. Now I am solving this in rough way only. Whatever statements and everything is there they have that I have written in the notes or in the sums which I have solved. I have given it in PDF. So these are number of 5 rupee coins is x, number of 2 rupee coins is 3x. So what is the amount he is having? Total amount which Bansi is having. 5 rupee coins means from 5 rupee coins we will get 5x because this is x. But what is that x? 5 rupee coins. So we have to multiply 5 into x is 5x. And for 2 rupee coins it will become 2 into 3 times there. 2 rupee coins are 3 times of this 5 rupee. 3x is equal to 6x. Now here it is given sum of these coins is 77. Means you will get equation 5x plus 6x. 5x plus 6x is 11x and the sum of these coins is 77. Means it is given, we are getting actually by solving 11x, but it is given to us, it is given as rupees 77. It means when the coins are 5 rupee coins are 5x and 2 rupee coins are 6x, then the answer is coming 11x. But actually that Bansi is having rupees 77 with him. So this amount will be equal. So let us solve and find out what x. 11x is equal to 77. 11x divided by 11 and 77 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11 ones are 11 ones and 11 sevens. So x is equal to 7. It means what we wrote here, let the number of 5 rupee coins be x. Means we have got 7 5 rupee coins. Now then 2 rupee coins will be 3x. So what is the amount of 2 rupee coins that we will see now? So 2 rupee coins are 3 times the 5 rupee coins. So here it will come 3 times 5 rupee, 2 rupee coins are 3 times 5 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins we have got 7. So 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Means total 2 rupee coins are 21, 5 rupee coins are 7. Now our sum is, we have to check whether this our solution is correct or not. So let us check it. Here we have got total amount of coins 5x plus 6x is 11x. So let us substitute 7 into place of x. X is equal to 7. So it is 77. So what is the sum? Yes, it is correct. When you substitute x as 7, you get the total amount which is with Bansi. And with him the total amount is 77. It is given in this sum. It is sum rupee 77. So in this way we have solved and we have find out the coins. We got 7 coins of 5 rupees. We got 21 coins of 2 rupees. Now these coins, whether they are correct or not, that we have substituted in the total amount. So 11 into x is 77. answer is correct. So our solution is also correct. Now we will see sum number 9. See here, x first multiple, then x plus 11 second multiple, then x plus 22 third multiple. X is 110, x is 110 plus 11, then x is 110 plus 22. So 110 plus 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 121, and this will be 132. Let me find out whether my answer is correct or not. 110 plus 121 plus 132, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 and 3, 6, and this 3, 363. So when I substituted x as 110, I got the sum is equal to 363. Means, see here, whatever values we have got, 110, 121, 132, all values are correct, because when we add the numbers or the multiples of the 11, we get the sum 363. So our value of x is equal to 110 is correct. So in this way I have explained you 3 sums. If you are having any problem while solving this, you can call me and ask me your difficulty. If you want, you can come in school also for your difficulty, solution of your difficulties. Thank you.